Hey guys, this is Madhur. Welcome to my channel Plan My Fam Trip. It's all about the family vacations. This video shall talk about the essential things one should carry with them while planning a Maldives trip. So let's begin. First on the list of must is a universal adapter. Though the resort should provide at least one in the room, however, if you are traveling in a family or have multiple devices to charge at the same time, it is recommended to carry at least one with you. Along the same lines, the next thing which you should carry is a power bank. If you are using your phone as a primary camera, then it is a must to carry a power bank. There is a highly possible chance that you might drain out the mobile phone battery if you are on the beach or on the poolside or enjoying any cruises. So this is also a must. The other important thing which you should carry is a sunscreen lotion and aloe vera gel. Make sure you carry at least 70 plus SPF waterproof sunscreen with you, because whether it is pool, beach or the resort, you will be spending a lot of time in the sun and water. The temperature in the Maldives can vary from 27 to 35 degrees and you might go in the salty water too. Despite using sunscreen, you might get sunburns. Please do remember to carry a aloe vera gel that will help in cooling off these sunburns to a large extent. Caution: do not use sunscreen while snorkeling. The sunscreen will make the skin oily and the snorkeling mask might slip off, causing a gap and the water can come inside. And this has happened with me while we were doing the snorkeling. The next item on the list are the beach slippers. If you go into the water or sand, it will help you to walk properly. Our resort where we were staying was Kanafushi Atmosphere, had provided beach slippers in the room. They were okay types and can be used for the entire duration. However, if you are choosy, don't want to use pre-used slippers and your foot size is not between 7 to 9, then probably you need to carry a good quality slippers along with yours. The next important thing which you should carry are the basic medicines. It is very important that you carry medicines for headaches, fever, cold and allergies. If you see your motion sickness, do carry an anti-vomit medicine too. Though most of the resorts have a general clinic available, however, it is better that you carry your own medicines as well. Make sure you carry bags at the beach, because you have to carry a lot of stuff in this. All the beach villas and water villas are pretty far away, and whenever you step out of your villas, you should carry an extra pair of clothes, probably a power bank and drinks. Usually all the resorts will have a shower room and changing room in all the restaurants and in the common areas too. So you can use those and get ready there instead of coming back every time to your villa. The other important thing is to carry a separate plastic bag for carrying wet clothes or the swimming costumes. Because of the distance, if you have to come back to your villas every time, you will have to take buggies or walk down, and that will waste a lot of time. Though initially our bag was a small one, but we realized that on our very first day that this small bag may not be sufficient. We used to carry a big bag with clothes, drinks, etc., and a separate bag for carrying used and wet clothes. Moving on, one should carry enough options of beach wear, because that's what you would end up wearing the most. Do remember to carry swimming goggles or maybe a cap as well. The next important thing was these quirky and colorful sunglasses and a hat. Besides the Insta pictures which usually come magnificent with the sunglasses and the hat, it is also needed if you are out in the sun. If you wear spectacles with numbers, you should start practicing with lens a month before so that you can also enjoy the sunglasses. While you might already carry good quality glares with you, it is advisable to also add a couple of not so expensive colorful glares to make the Insta clicks vibrant. Another important thing to carry is the underwater camera. Snorkeling is included in most of the packages. Getting a photo clicked underwater is just wow. Mosquito repellent is another important thing that one should have in their bags. Especially if you are staying in a beach villa, there is a high probability that you will be encountered with an army of mosquitoes. Though the resort provides mosquito repellents, nets, and there are friendly lizards as well to minimize the impact. However, you should carry at least one of good quality. One last tip is what you should not pack for your Maldives vacations. As an Indians, we usually have a habit of carrying pre-cooked meals. If you are in the resort with an all-inclusive package, there is absolutely no requirement of carrying any food items with you, as you will have enough and more options in the resort itself. Also, the airport provides sufficient eating options. If you want more details on the airport options, here is the link of video which I have created some time back. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.